Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix stick drift on your Oculus Quest 2 controller, a common issue where your character moves even when you're not touching the joystick. First, start with a simple restart. Turn off your headset completely and power it back on, as this can fix temporary glitches affecting the controller input. Next, clean the joystick area. Dust and debris often cause drift, so gently move the stick around and use compressed air or a soft brush to clean around the edges. You can also use a small amount of electronic contact cleaner for better results, but apply it carefully. After that, recalibrate your controller. Go into your device settings, find Controller Settings, and check if there's an option to reset or recalibrate input. This helps the system recognize the correct neutral position. Another useful step is to replace or reinsert the battery. Weak or unstable power can sometimes cause inconsistent input behavior. If the issue still continues, unpair and reconnect the controller through the app. Finally, if nothing works, the joystick may be worn out and require repair or replacement. Subscribe the channel for more videos.